So I've been thinking about the lack of native plants for folks. Decided to kind of put my mouth, or put my actions where my mouth is. So I potted up all of these. This is false nettle, the Marina cylindrica. All this was in my my pathway. So I pulled those up. I also have frostweed over here. I pulled those up as well. And my goal is to share them with my neighbors. I have a couple garden forums I'm groups on and next door, and a little group on Facebook for my little town. And I'm going to share these with folks. Sometimes you can find some seeds of this online, but a lot of people don't think to grow this, and they're really great native plants. The frostweed is extremely good for pollinators in the fall. It's a great nectar source for pollinators, and false nettle is a host plant for the red admiral butterfly. It is what the caterpillars use as well, and I believe it's a question mark that also uses this too, but I've only seen red admirals using it. And it is a little bit weedy, which is why it was in my path. Actually, both are kind of weedy, but if you put them in a place where you don't mind they spread, perfect.